Hello, this is the Queen of Credit here. And so just to help you be more successful in your credit repair, your home-based business through MWR Financial, this is a training video to cover two things. So my favorite topic is always credit. So the first thing that I will discuss is the credit max, right? There are some people who have uploaded their driver's license as they were instructed to and uploaded the first set of their credit report, but they need more information and direction and instruction on if the first attempt or the first round of negative items wasn't deleted or was updated, and you want to continue to challenge through your Credit Max membership, what steps to do first. So first, let's click on the how-to instructions on your Credit Max. It provides you all of the instructions, everything you need, how to get started with the Credit Max restoration process, right? So step one is to first click on the Enroll Now button and follow this four-step simple process. Step two, complete your online enrollment by providing the information and building your profile, right? You can also provide this information for you and or your spouse. Make sure the information is filled out completely and correctly to avoid delays in processing. Then we'll need your social security number, your date of birth, as well as your spouse name, social security number, and date of birth if you would like your spouse credit to be challenged as well, right, or restored as well. So the very first thing you need to do is order a copy of your free credit report. You go, and I said free, F-R-E-E, you go to www.annualcreditreport.com. So this is this website. This is what this looks like. You go, and now that we are experiencing this health epidemic, you can get copies of your free credit report weekly. In the past, that's why it's called annual credit report. You can only get one copy yearly, but this reporting system is available for you weekly. You will see what accounts remain, what accounts been deleted and are updated. Now just know that it will not provide you a credit score, but it will give you your credit profile, what accounts are remaining on there. So that's step one, annualfreecreditreport.com. Step two is for a small fee. This is not free. A small fee, you can order all three of your credit report scores through the MWRsmartcredit.com. Now, this is not mandatory. This is optional. I think the monitoring price is like $19.99 a month. But again, I will give you other free resources that you can also monitor and upload your credit report. But you can do it through MWR Smart Credit System as well for $19.99 a month. That's not mandatory. It's optional. So what do you do now, right? Let's say you have went and you selected Member Access tab. And you see I have done this as well, right? So now there was nothing to challenge on my credit report, but there may be some things to challenge in your credit profile. The very first thing you would do was click on Choose Files. Once you select Choose Files, your menu option should come up. This is how you upload your files on your credit report. So the very first thing you need to do, you can see here, I will not click on it because it has my driver's license and confidential information, is to upload your driver's license. It's optional if you want to upload your driver's license as well as a utility bill. Just ensure though that your utility bill address matches the address on your driver's license, right? So also, this is where you upload your credit report. Your credit report goes here in the upload file. Again, you got your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com, right? This is the credit report they can use. Now, this is what you do. You see your custom portal uploads. Let me click on it. Your credit restoration enrollment. This is the step that most people don't know what to do if you receive updates that maybe a negative account was updated and you want to continue to challenge that until you get the desired results. Just know that just because an account has been updated and not totally deleted does not mean that you stop submitting your documents, right? Now, if you read carefully on the Credit Max Customer Portal, it states, we also highly recommend you check your email and your Financial Edge Message Center located in the top of this page to stay informed during the process. Now, there is no menu at the top of this page. There's no Financial Aid menu for you to check. So let me give you the other options that you have. So let's log out of this. Now, what is the Financial Edge membership about, or what does it entail? Now, the Financial Edge Message Center, your Money Max Message Center, is available for your Money Max. So let's discuss Money Max, and then I'll give you the options of what to do with your Credit Max. Again, you have your how-to instructions on your Money Max, but this gives you an option, number one, to ask an expert button, right? So you don't have that option on your Credit Max option. I'm sorry, my daughter coming is kind of disturbing me. My video, but on this page, it says click to ask an expert. So if you need any help with your Money Max, you have the Message Center, but that center that's not available for Credit Max. Just to make that sure, just to make that clear at least, it's not available for Credit Max. So I'm gonna tell you what to do for Credit Max. But with Money Max, also select Member Access. This is the option to ask an expert. The thing you need to do with Money Max, if you can see on my screen, it states Employee Direct Deposit Notification. Also choose File. You will need to upload your 2 most recent check stubs to see if you are losing money out of your paycheck. These are top-rated CPAs, Certified Financial Advisors, and Certified CFPs, Certified Financial Planners, who will let you know if you or your clients, right, or your clients or your customers are overpaying in taxes. You will upload this, and to retrieve the message once you upload it, is asked to give at least 1 to 3 business days. If you have any question, they will upload what to do, your results, and ask the expert. So this is the message option that's only available in Money Max. So what do you do for Credit Max, right? If you haven't received the email, but you receive your results, this is what you can do. These are some other free options that I'm going to share with you to help you see your scores and see your results. You can go on Experian website as well. It has the sign up for free option. Share it with you. Move the screen some. So you see sign in and or sign up for free. You can get free credit scores and your results through Experian. There's your free credit report tab. Get your free credit report, right? It will show you the score, which is FICO 8, which is true FICO scores, not Vantage. And it also let you know your results or your updates and disputes. So this is another free source where you can also upload the results. You don't have to get the $19.99 plan. Again, that is an option. Another free source for you is Credit Karma, where you can get your free credit scores as well from Equifax and TransUnion, because you know Experian will only give you Experian report for free through Experian. So you can also save your credit report or your monitoring service for Equifax and TransUnion through Credit Karma, and you can then again upload it on your customer portal uploads, right? So those are 3 free options: annual free credit report, Experian, Credit Karma, in which you can continue to communicate and receive free monitoring. You can upload it and they will continue to challenge those accounts on your behalf. Don't give up after the first 30 days or the first attempt. The second thing you need to know about Money Max is that you also have this tax box expense tracker. Now that you are a home-based business owner, you have business tax deduction that will help you either save from paying thousands of dollars in taxes at the end of the year, or help you get back more money in form of taxes at the end of the year, right? So either way it goes, simply put, you're giving less money to the government, to the IRS, to the Fed, and you're getting more back. But you have to create your account here. The tax box user account set up, enter your first, last name, set your email, and you create or set your own password, right? So also I'm going to show you an example. So these are the two things you need to do with Money Max. And just know again, with Money Max, you also have the Money Max Message Center is located right under the bar. Ask an expert, but you do not have a message center to check your credit profile. You have to check your emails. And when you have those 3 free monitoring devices, whatever your updates are, that means you have to log on and check it. You can save those and also upload it so you can continue to get disputing done on your behalf. So let me show you briefly an email that I sent today for a customer that is interested in the credit restoration services through MWR and what that looks like. Right? I provide the information. They have to enroll at $79.99 a month. Provided the instructions in case your people or your customers or people that want to join with you in the business need to know this information as well. Communicate to them they need to upload their driver's license. I've just put in and utility bill matching the address, but again, it's not a requirement, but it always helps, especially when we're moving old addresses, right? Also, they have to upload their credit report, again, from annualcreditreport.com. I've also put to save in PDF format and upload. And also, I instructed to create a free account with Experian here. I also asked them or requested they create a free credit account with Credit Karma. Now, know the only thing about Credit Karma is oftentimes though those accounts do not provide the account numbers, but you just need it for the monitoring system so you can communicate with MWR what accounts are still remaining in negative account status, or they updated and they may have to do an additional dispute on your behalf or challenge on your behalf. Also, I included to scan and upload documents in PDF directly to the Credit Max portal. This is the preferred method for faster process, right? Step 2, you can scan and email, or option 2, you can scan and email your PDFs, and the email is support@mwrfinancial.com. Or option 3, you can fax your documents. Just know option 2 and 3 are the slowest methods. You can fax the documents to 1-800-763-1580. And I just shared a screenshot with them with instructions and my link to become a member. Right? So as a financial director, you want to get customers and other financial directors as well. Now, the goal for you all, we are the credit and cash flow team. If you join this business under me, is to become a qualified financial director. Once you enroll with your own financial aid membership, this will give you, or a financial aid customer, right, 1 customer points. And your financial aid membership is 2 customer points. Again, don't sleep on getting customers as well as people that want to do the business. And anytime you have any questions about your credit process or repair process, this is the customer service number for you. 1-800-997-5090. Again, that customer service number for MWR, if you have any credit questions, is 1-800-997-5090. So I hope this video helped you out understanding how to utilize best your Money Max and your Credit Max system. This is the Queen of Credit signing out.